Here we have the EVC throttle controller from Ultimate 9. You can do an unboxing and show what's inside. First off, we have the control unit, nice and centered, nicely packaged. So try and pop that out. And we have your control unit where you change all your settings and do your modes. And coiled up behind it is a nice long cable with a plug that will plug into your loom. Speaking of the loom, here's the loom that connects between your throttle pedal and the factory car loom. Of course, a sticker for good measure, a couple of cable ties to help you neaten up that install, and of course the most important part, the instructions. Make sure you read these, make sure you go through it all, make sure you do it right for your car. I don't know if it will be. Now let's get installing it. We're going to install this into the Shell V-Power, not the actual supercar, but the Repco Mustang. What you need to find is where it connects to your throttle pedal, which is under your dash. See there, the loom. I'm going to just pop that off, the plug. And what you need to do is get the loom from the Ultimate 9 throttle controller and plug it in. Make sure you read the instructions. It all tells you how to do it. It's quite simple. It'll only take you about 5-10 minutes to do the whole thing. But make sure that you do have your car turned off and depowered for at least 10 minutes beforehand. If you don't do that, it might throw an engine code. So you can see here, this is the plug from the loom, which will then plug into the controller. Make sure you light them up, plug it in, done, easy. What you have to do now is find a nice spot on your dash to put it on and make sure it's clean before sticking it on. And as simple as that. Now fire up the car. What you need to do is set up the unit for the transmission. The settings will be in the instructions, so make sure you do read that. And get it all set up for manual or automatic. The unit has 4 different driving modes as well as 20 different settings. You've got the factory mode, economy, ultimate, as well as automatic. This gives you the ability to increase or decrease your throttle sensitivity. In this case, we've increased the sensitivity in the Mustang, making the car feel much more responsive. Cars with electronic throttles can sometimes feel laggy, which they call throttle lag. This unit enables you to reduce the amount of throttle lag that you have and maximize the performance from your car. Ultimate 9 make this for a huge range of vehicles, so head to your closest Repco store or the Repco website.